The enterprise world's getting more competitive every single day. They face great challenges. And how do you efficiently use the tools that are at your disposal, whether it's your people, your assets, your data information, your products? M2M is allowing them to effectively use those in ways that they never thought of before, by allowing the machines to communicate, the data to move freely, to talk to people, to talk to the machines, to interact in ways that they can be more competitive than they are today. And a lot of enterprises have large fleets. If they're not efficiently using those fleets today, then they're at a disadvantage to their competition. By connecting those fleets wirelessly, having the right tools to manage that, having the right people to interface with those fleets and use those assets well, that's a great benefit to them, and they can be more competitive. Another thing is you've got a lot of assets in companies, and a lot of companies have no idea where some of their assets are. I'm surprised when I talk to them how many of them don't know where their assets are. So if they can have access to that information and manage the movement, storage, use, non-use of those assets, they will save a lot of money and have a much greater ROI on what they already own today. Our focus is to make the enterprise company's life easier. We take down the barriers, we remove the challenges, we do everything that we can to allow them to focus on their business, their industry. We'll take care of the wireless back end. We'll do the billing support, we'll do activation support, we'll do the wireless management, whatever it takes so they can focus on their business while we focus on ours. Well, there's going to be a lot of key decisions made in the coming year. One of the most important ones is, what network platform do I use? Am I using 2G? Am I using 3G or 4G? It's a confusing choice. You need to find the right partner that can support all three and can help you through that choice to make sure that you future-proof what it is you're trying to accomplish. The other thing is choosing the right partner that can actually support your solutions in an in-depth way. I think a lot of times in the enterprise world in particular, they have a tendency to think that maybe they can do it all themselves because they're very large companies and they're very experienced. And I agree with that, but this is a unique new space, and it's good to bring in the expertise of the outside people who really understand the solutions and how to support them.